Hey there, Profit Pilot here. Today we're going to take a look at how you can fund both your Trading 212 CFD and Invest account through PayPal. Regardless of which account you want to fund through PayPal, you'll want to open up the app and be on your CFD account. Now you want to go to your account menu by tapping the three horizontal lines icon. Once it opens, click on the blue button on the bottom center of your screen that says Deposit Funds. This will load a new menu. Here you'll want to find Deposit via Credit/Debit Card, Change button, and tap it. This will once again load a new menu letting you select your payment option. Click on the PayPal icon, after which you'll be brought back to the previous menu. Now use the blue slider below to choose how much money you'd like to send from your PayPal to your Trading 212 account. The minimum amount is either $10, €10 or £10, depending on your region. Now check the confirmation and tap on the yellow PayPal button. This will redirect you to PayPal where you can send the money. After you've sent the money, the app will reload and confirm the successful transaction. I then closed the app and waited 2 minutes before reopening it. By this time the money was already on my account. Now for the final step, if you want to get the money from your CFD account onto your Trading 212 Invest account. You would once again have to go to your account menu by tapping the three horizontal lines icon. Tap on Manage Funds, a new menu will open up there. Tap on Move Funds. This new menu will now allow you to move funds between your accounts. Now you could, for instance, move the €10 we just sent from your PayPal to your Trading 212 CFD account to your Trading 212 Invest account. Unfortunately, the Trading 212 Invest account cannot directly be funded through PayPal, so you will have to use this workaround if you want to fund it through PayPal. That concludes the video. I hope it was helpful. Consider liking and subscribing as it helps the channel out. If there's any other tutorials you'd like to see, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.